Yeah, I'll be showing you how to use the Plugyard merchant platform to make at least 50 to 200,000 naira every week, weekly, depending on how many accounts you list for sale on the platform. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this is my own personal dashboard, my own store. So far, I have available balance of 6,194 naira. I have I've withdrawn total of 181,500 naira from the platform so far. I think today I withdrew about 10,000 naira. Okay, so yeah, my subscription is still active. Okay, so going to the product market statement. So far, I still have available stock, available account of 17 still available on the platform listed for sale, and I've sold a total of 108 accounts so far, and I've made over 236,000 naira, 862 naira so far. So these are all the purchases I've sold on the platform. These are all when someone purchases an account from your store, you'll be notified here. Okay, to be listed here. Okay, as you can see, I sold some accounts few hours ago. So that is it for the dashboard. For the withdrawal, as you can see, I made a withdrawal today around 6 p.m. 10,500, and yesterday I also made a withdrawal 5,000 naira. And on the 26th of July, I made 18,000 withdrawal, and the next 25,000 withdrawal. And what I like about this platform is that the withdrawal are instant, like very very fast. Like in a minute, you receive your payment. It doesn't delay. Okay, so I made so much withdrawal so far. As you can see, my first withdrawal was on the 28th of April, which was 1,000 naira, and the other 2nd of May 1,500, and the rest 5,000, and the rest. Okay, and then you want to list your account for sale, you can come to this profile dashboard, and then you list your account for sale. These are the active accounts that still have for sale on the platform. Yeah, and you can delete. Maybe if you don't want to sell again, or you change your mind, you can delete the account you list for sale at any time. Okay, and then these are the accounts I've sold so far. Okay, these are the accounts I've sold so far. I've sold many hundreds of accounts on the platform since my registration on the platform. You see, um my first sold product was on the 28th of April. Okay, and then I think that is it. And then every month you have to pay 1,000 naira to keep your store. I have to make a monthly payment of 1,000 naira to keep your store. I've been on the platform since April 25th. One, so when you first register an account, you have to make a payment of 2,000 naira, and then the next month, from the next month, you pay 1,000 every month to keep the store, and that is it. So you can renew when your subscription is have ended. Maybe you can renew through your own balance if you still have available balance, or you can make a payment. So if I should click pay, it will say subscription is already active and not expired, no need for renewal. So I think that is it for it. It's a very legit platform, I won't lie, and I've made you know good profits from the um platform. Yeah.